Hello, this is Chance Dunlap with Intersil Corporation, and I'm here today demonstrating the ISL 68200 and 68201, which is our brand new digital hybrid controllers. So what we have demonstrated here is our new single-phase controller that's used for point-of-load applications where you want to drive voltages from a 12-volt rail down to point-of-loads such as 3.3, 5 volts, or those 1.x volts for CPUs and ASICs. This device is scalable in two different formats, either using integrated drivers for external FETs or using a Dr. MOS with our 01 version of the product. So this really gives you a scalable solution from a couple of amps all the way up to about 50 amps with a single device. What you can see configured here is we have two demo boards connected together with the Intersil PMBus dongle. So the device is fully PMBus compatible, so you can monitor all your telemetry such as voltages, currents, temperature using our simple Power Navigator software GUI. What's demonstrated on the scope is the ability of our device using what we call our R4, which is a ripple regulator control loop. Is a compensation-free control loop to give you extremely fast transient response. And you can see with the load step here, with the increasing load, you barely see any perturbation in the output voltage. Only on the load release you see a little bit of a voltage excursion because we're just using a couple of very small ceramic output caps on the output of a 35 amp solution. And that's really the benefit of this. The fast transient response, the PMBus telemetry, you can get a design in a very small board space. This solution alone at 35 amps is fit inside a small 20 millimeter by 20 millimeter dimension. And then the last part is for design, debug, and characterization of your power supply, everything can be done without a soldering iron. Using our new Power Navigator software, you can set up, design the entire controller, and do all your monitoring and characterization with just a simple few clicks on the software. So for instance, the design is capable of going through, calculating all of your components, determining the efficiency of the solution, and even generating the schematics for the design, all from the software, eliminating the need for using complex calculators or Excel spreadsheets. So overall, we have a solution that is compensation-free, eliminating the need for any theoretical Bode plot calculations, pole zero placements. You get a fast transient response with all the digital functionality you wanted in a small solution space. Thank you very much for looking at this. If you have any questions, please go to www.intersil.com for information on the product.